Hi, in this video I will show you how to solve the question on the textbook page 17 I think, 17, on your own. Question number 2, Diego is participating in a cooking competition in which judges rate performance for various criteria using fractions between -1 and 2. The score for 4 competitors are shown. This. Compare the number line, complete the number line to compare the 4 scores. So 1 and 1/2 already done for you is here, and -1/4 is here already done for you. So now we need to mark to plot 1/8. Okay, 1/8 actually 1/8 is 0.125. How can we get that conclusion? So use 1/8. So 0.1 got 2, 20, so 2, 16, and then 4, 40, 5, 8, 40, right? So that equals 0.125. So you know this number is between 0 and 1. And you see that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 spaces between 0 and 1. So each mark, that'll be 1/8. So for this one, it'll be 1/8, and then 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, and so on. So 1/8 is here. This point, use the blue one, just like that, okay? And how about -3/4? -3/4. If you multiply 2/2, -3/4 times 2/2, it becomes -6/8. Okay, so between 0 and -1, again, that is 8 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So each mark is 1/8 as well. So this is -1/8, 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, and then 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is -6/8 and equals -3/4. Okay, so this point is -3/4. Another blue point. Then done for question A. Question B, how do the location of this point and this point compared? So you can say -3/4 is, I want to use red, to the right, to the left, sorry. See, it's to the left of this. Okay, this is right, this is left. So to the left of -1/4. And which is less? The point on the left side is less. So -3/4 is less than -1/4. It's explained because it's on the left side of, it's because it's to the left of -1/4. Right, that's it. Question number 3. So 750-meter swim, 20-kilometer bicycle ride, and 5-kilometer run. The race organizer recalled the differences between 5 athletes' times and average time to complete triathlon. Each value is the amount of time above or below the average in minute. So we got 2.5, -1.25, 0.8, 1.5, -1.8. Graph the athletes' differences for the average time. So 2.5, 2.5. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. So each grid is 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. Okay. So 2.5 is right in the middle. So this is 2.5. Okay. Negative 1.25. 1/4 equals 0.25, right? Use the same method. 1/4. That will be 2, 8, 20, and 5 for 20. So a quarter, 1/4 is 0.25. So negative 1.25 is here. This is negative 1.25 and negative 1.5, negative 1.75, right? And negative, 0.8. This is a quarter, 2/4, 3/4. 3/4, if you convert to decimals, that will be 0.75, right? So 0.8 is to the right of this point. So 0.8 should be on the right hand side here, around here, so 0.8. And 1.5. 1.5 is in the middle, so 1.5 is here. And negative 1.2. This is negative 1.25. What do you think this point will be on the right hand side or left hand side? Have a think, and answer me, right or left. If your answer is left, I will hit your head. No, it's on the right hand side of this point. Okay, be careful. So this is negative 1.2, right? Because for negative part, the left side has a greater magnitude or absolute value. Okay, so because negative 1.25 has a greater magnitude than negative 1.2, so this one should on the left hand side of negative 1.2. Alright, so complete the inequality. So which one is on the left hand side is smaller, on the right hand side is greater. So this is greater than that. 0.5. This one will be easy for you. Even you can do it for elementary school student can do it. And a positive number always greater than a negative number. So that will be greater than. Which inequality in part B is comparing the differences from the average time for the slowest to fast? Okay, so slowest is this, negative 1.25. That means your time is, oh, no, sorry. Wait, sorry, so it's 2.5. That means it takes longer for you. Your time is greater than average 2.5. For example, if the average time, complete time is 10 minutes, then your time is 10 plus 2.5 is 12.2. Okay, so it takes longer for you, so you are slowest. Okay. So that will be 2.5. The fastest is negative 1.25. That means if the average time for complete this competition is 10 minutes, then your score, your result is less than 10 minutes. You finish in 10 plus negative 1.25 is 8.75. If you use only 8.75 minutes to finish the game, so you are fastest. Okay. Okay, open-ended. A cave system inside a mountain has caves at different elevations above and below the sea level. One cave has elevation of negative 4¼ meters. How can you use vertical line to determine whether the elevation of the second cave is greater or less than negative? So you can explain. So when I use a vertical number line, and start from 0, and positive is up. Okay, so this is negative should be below 0. So negative 4 and a quarter maybe is here. How can we determine whether the elevation of second cave is greater than or less than this? So you can say on the number line, if the point is above means on the top of that, above negative 4 and a quarter, then it will be greater than that cave. The elevation of the second cave is greater than the elevation of the first cave if it is above the first cave. However, if the second cave, the point of the second cave is below the first cave, then the elevation of the second cave is less than the first cave, right? Because if you use vertical number line, the higher cave is on the top, okay, and the lower cave is on the bottom, at the bottom. Okay. So it's open-ended, so you can basically use any your word to describe it. Okay, if you still have some questions, you can let me know. Maybe if I have time, I can make a video for you. Remember, like, subscribe, turn on the bell, the ring. Okay, subscribe, press like, subscribe. Okay, I'm YouTuber and donate. Okay, thank you.